What's up YouTube? Mike from Mass here, Mass Aquariums, and in today's video I'd like to talk about why it's okay for you to buy your fish, corals, and livestock, cleanup crew, snails, shrimp, etc. at Petco or PetSmart. Now for my purposes in the saltwater tank I went to Petco. Now before we get going on this, I don't want to tell you not to support your local fish store. If you have a fish store in your town or the next town over that you rely on and you know the people and you know the quality of the tanks, then by all means, please support your local fish store, because there's about 5 fish stores around me that have all closed down. I don't know if because of COVID or people just order everything online now, but I have no fish stores really around me, local fish stores that is, that I can go to. However, if you're just getting started, I want to stress that it is a great idea to go to Petco or to PetSmart for your fish, because your tank is just getting established and you need some hardy fish. Now, I'm not saying that the Petco and the PetSmart doesn't take care of their fish tanks, but I believe, in my opinion, over 40 years of keeping aquariums, that those fish are the hardiest fish you can buy, and it's going to get you off on a great start in your aquarium journey. Now, I'll give you a quick example, real quick. I ordered a skunk cleaner shrimp online, and he came in. He was the teeniest, tiniest shrimp. I don't even know how old this thing was. Very, very small. I followed the instructions. Usually I would drip acclimate my inverts, but the instructions specifically said to do not open the bag, because once you open the bag, the gas exchange, the pH rises, and all this stuff. All the directions said was to float the bag to get it to temp, then dump the bag through a net and put your fish right in. And within, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, the shrimp was completely dead. Now, you're gonna say, oh, well, your tank's not set up properly. It's not, the parameters aren't good enough for that invert, and so on and so forth. But I've bought this skunk cleaner shrimp at Petco 2 days ago, and not only is it alive and well and crawling all over the tank and eating, I'm also, when I dip my hands in to do things, it jumps on my hand. I'll put a little clip in there. Jumps all over my hand and starts eating and picking off the dead skin and whatever, because it is hardy, because it lives at Petco in those tanks. This shrimp is a hardy shrimp and it will survive perfect in my tank. I recommend, if you're gonna buy some inverts, to go ahead and to Petco. Especially, I think Petco is I don't think PetSmart even sells saltwater, but Petco, and buy yourself shrimp from there. Buy yourself some clownfish, buy yourself a firefish, fire goby. Those fish are going to be your badass, your street fish. They survive fluctuating water quality, fluctuating salinity, fluctuating pH, to the point where they've gotten used to that, and they'll be good in your new tank and get you started off on the right foot. Now, I know I'm gonna get some comments in the below saying that's not a good idea, but I've been doing this a long time over the years, and I found that unless your local fish store is extremely reliable and you love them, which I want you to go ahead and go to Petco and get your fish and your inverts. They're gonna be hardy. They're gonna thrive in your tank and set you off on the right foot. I've gotten fish online at local fish stores that their water parameters are so perfect that if you try to add them to your tank, I've gotten velvet, I've gotten ick, they've died quick. And then you go to a Petco and boom, those are the fish that have lasted forever. Like my black Darwin clownfish, 11 years old. They lived to 11, and the only reason why one of them died was it jumped out of the tank when I wasn't aware, taking my tank lid off, and I left it off for 48 hours, found crisp on the floor. My fault. How bad I felt after all those years. And then legit, the male died 2 days later, and I'm almost certain it's because it lost its mate. So, that's my spiel. I will put a couple clips in of my tank, and that's why I really think that to get off on the right foot, especially if you're a beginner, if you're doing freshwater, go get some platies. go get some guppies. Go get fish that are going to thrive in your tank if the parameters aren't perfect to start off. And if you're going to get some inverts and some clownfish, don't be afraid to go to Petco and grab them. And that's my spiel, and that's my tip. And enjoy your Sunday, your rest of your week, your Saturday, whatever day you're watching this. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.